Okay, so check this out. I have a couple of overlanding Land Rovers here at South OC Cars and Coffee, and this Range Rover or Land Rover, I mean, this Land Rover is made for off-road. So you can see there's a camp tent at the top, and look at the propane tank. So it's ready to cook, and there's a sink, a fridge, everything is here. Power outlets.
It's got an inverter.
Check that out.
100 watts, so you can even put
Yeah.
a small microwave.
Carry the bike rack.
Don't tell me you got a microwave there too.
I don't have a microwave. I don't even use my microwave.
Wow, that's
I use it for my coffee.
yeah, it's perfect for glamping, glamorous camping. So that's the one. And here we have another one, so you can see the top of that. The tent is up, and not only the tent is up, this guy's got the awning, the sunshade, going across the entire car. Wow. Yeah, nice shade in here, and it is for sale. So if you want to buy it, he's searching for Bigfoot. Yeah,
I mean,
so
I really have mixed emotions about Seal because I have maintained this thing. All dealer maintained. I actually put a new factory transmission in it. So it's got a brand new.
yeah, that's just cool.
We have all the service records.
So if you're looking for a glamper, go off road, get back to nature. These are cool, and this one's for sale. So if you're interested,
I like driving it.
give this guy a shout.
And maybe it's me. I don't know.